There are now more than 100 cases of the coronavirus in Florida, and one of those is a TSA worker at Orlando International Airport who tested positive for the virus. Good afternoon, I'm Deanna Albritton. The Department of Health announced 39 new coronavirus cases in the state overnight. That number is only expected to grow here in Florida. And as many of you have already experienced, this pandemic is having a huge impact on our daily lives. Let's get you caught up on the latest numbers. There are now 115 cases in Florida and 4 deaths. 2 of the 39 new cases announced overnight are here in Central Florida. One involves a 71-year-old man in Volusia County. State officials say that case is travel related. The other local case is a 48-year-old woman in Orange County. Both of those patients are currently in isolation. We have in-depth coverage on the latest developments on the coronavirus for you today. Channel 9's Karen Parks is in Volusia County, where hospitals there are preparing to see more patients. But let's start with Channel 9's Ashley Edlin at Orlando International Airport, where a TSA worker there tested positive for the coronavirus. Ashley, the TSA is now making sure travelers stay safe and healthy in a variety of ways.
Yeah, Deanna, we have seen TSA officers here all day being as cautious as they can. We've seen them standing toward the front of the line with gloves. That's not something that you usually see. That usually happens towards the back of the line. Passengers we talk to out here say they have to have faith in these TSA officers because they can't just not fly. Jim and Shirley Rockman are catching a flight home this afternoon.
We got a college kid that just came home from the University of Missouri because they've suspended all classes.
But they're making sure they take time to stop at hand sanitizing stations like these all around MCO, especially after hearing a TSA worker at the airport just tested positive for COVID-19. Still, they say the news isn't stopping them from flying.
We're discussing it, and we need to get home.
TSA told Channel 9 Saturday night the officer that tested positive will stay home until a doctor clears her. Everyone who is in close contact with her has been asked to stay home for the next 14 days. And TSA agents working are all taking precautions, swapping out gloves they use frequently, wiping down their stations, and washing their hands. Now, I reached out to TSA this morning to ask where exactly that officer was here when the last time she was here, how many other TSA officers were around her and have been told they need to stay home for the next 14 days. We are waiting on those answers, but when we have them, we're going to share them with you. But for now, we're live at the airport. Ashley Edlin, Channel 9, Eyewitness News.
Our in-depth coverage continues in Volusia County. That county alone has seen 5 cases of the coronavirus already. Channel 9's Karen Parks is live outside AdventHealth New Smyrna Beach. Karen, the hospital set tents up because they could possibly see a lot more patients very soon.
And Deanna, I spoke with a spokesperson this morning who told me that all AdventHealth hospitals will be adding tents like this one behind me to prepare for a possible influx of patients. Now, I spoke with Sheriff Chitwood this morning around 11:30, and he confirmed that there are 5 confirmed cases here in Volusia County. Now, he got this information from an undisclosed source, and he says this is causing frustration and it's causing residents to panic, and it's leaving first responders unprotected because he says government officials are not forthcoming with the number of confirmed cases.
We are playing with the lives of our first responders, and nobody's got the guts to stand up and challenge Tallahassee for the idiotic orders that they're putting out.
Now, Sheriff Chitwood says he spoke with other sheriffs and fire chiefs around the state, and they are all asking and begging their health departments for this information, which they do not have. Reporting live here in New Smyrna Beach, Karen Parks, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.